everyone! Did you know that actually we might be drinking from a plastic? The plastic pollution is not only about the water that are floating in the sea, but it's also the bottle has been broken down to some particle that we call as microscopic. This microscopic now has been called as microplastic.
This microplastic enter our drinking water every day. Unfortunately, laboratory equipment that are used to detect microplastic cost tens of thousands ringgit. This make nearly impossible to communities detect microplastic in their drinking water.
So, to solve this problem, our team has developed a green, low-cost and smart solution, introducing Micro-Spectro. Our project uses 100% recyclable material alongside an affordable sensor. One of the main components is the shoebox. The shoebox works as the light flight testing chamber to test our concept. Next, we have the CD, also known as the compact disc, as our scientific diffraction grating. We also have the budget laser pointer as our light wave source. And last but not least, our most important part, the actual pocket lamp sensor. It acts as our ways of calculating the light data.
The microplastic water sample synthesized by blending water with powder from graded plastic bottles.
How does it work? Let's take a look at our experimental setup. First, we created a very narrow light sling using two old razor blades mounted on cardboard. This collimates the laser light into sharp, straight beam. The laser beam is shot directly through the water sample vial. The light exiting the vial then hits the CD surface at 45-degree angle, separating the light wave into a beautiful rainbow spectrum. Finally, the pocket lamp is positioned at the end of the reflection angle to capture the light intensity lux data.
Our data findings are absolutely fascinating. When we tested clean water, the light intensity graph on the PogLab app was characterized by long, clean, sometimes constant lines, forming a very stable pattern with only minor variations. However, when we replaced it with the microplastic contaminated water, the floating plastic particles scattered the light waves randomly. As a result, the Micro-Spectrograph instantly transformed, displaying numerous sharp, rapid, and irregular fluctuations. This data at 1.75 lux shows a sequence of high-intensity light spikes separated by flat baseline periods. The higher the concentration of microplastics, the more extreme and frequent these spikes on the graph. This is the digital optical signature, or fingerprint, of microplastics.
Our innovation supports 3 Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 6 detects microplastic quickly for safer and cleaner water. SDG 14 helps protect aquatic life by reducing microplastic pollution. SDG 12 promotes responsible plastic use through better monitoring.
This microspectrum invention proves that we can
Detects the trace of microplastic
At a fraction of the cost,
while remaining eco-friendly.
we physics can save our future.
One Micro-Spectro.
Thank you.